Alright guys, next up on the FJ, we're going to pull a couple more pieces out of the puzzle. I'm going to show you here on what we're going to decide to do next. As you can see, we just took off the quarter panel. Well, now we have this guy, which I'm pointing to right now. That's on the outer side. Just as all the puzzle pieces go together, as you can see. Then the inner panel, this guy's gonna have to come out too, just because it's rotted. As you can see up here, more rot. It's rotted on the body mount underneath here. And this one's actually, I think we'll work on this one first, because that lip, will just unhook that. Pull these spot welds, you can see here. That'll release that panel. This guy will come up, and then we'll go ahead and make a brand new panel to fit in here. And then once that is done, we will move on to the outside and recreate that panel. So stay tuned, and more pictures to follow. Affordable Bender out.